Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my, what am I doing today? What are we doing today? The Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Curl and Hold Custard review. All right, yep, y'all heard all the intros. Let's just get on with get on. Sorry, I am getting over the croup, as you guys heard about it last week. I call it the croup. I call everything in the croup. So, you know, it is what it is. So, all right. Not too long ago, I picked up some Cream of Nature products. So you guys want to know how I felt about these products? Stay tuned. Okay, as you guys know, I don't shop at Walmart very much. It's not that I don't like Walmart. I just don't go there. I mean, plus Walmart is not in my field of direction. A lot of times Target, I see Target. I get to Target first because Trader Joe's is over there. Target, Ulta. It's a big shopping center with a bunch of stuff. And plus Chick-fil-A is right there. So, of course I'm going to go to Target anyway. Plus Target has a really nice clothing selection too. So I like going to Target. So while I was at Target, as you all saw last week, I picked up the Cream of Nature Twist and Curl Cream Pudding. It's a pudding. I'm sorry. Twist and Curl Pudding that I picked up last week. This week, I'm trying out some more stuff from the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil line. So last week and this week, what I started off my hair with was the Pre-Licious Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. Gently cleanses and removes product buildup with exotic shine. And this is a 12 fluid ounce bottle that I picked up, as you guys see in the picture. I've used this much within the past 2 weeks, so you guys can see that. So I've used a quarter of the bottle. No, this is like almost half actually of the bottle within the past 2 weeks. Not a fan. I was not a fan. The smell, I can't smell it fully right now. My nose is, I have like a nostril and a half. I mean, I have only half a nostril that I can smell out of. And it's very flowery and I don't like the smell. It's like part flowers, part lighter fluid. I don't know. I don't like the smell of this. I know people are like lighter fluid. Yeah, lighter fluid. The smell is not my favorite. I'm gonna say that about all of these because they all have the same smell. I don't care for the smell very much, and I didn't care for the product at all. I didn't think it cleaned my hair very well, so you know, I tried it out. Like I said, I tried it out. I had to use half a bottle for 2 weeks, so this is not going to last me. This is gonna last me maybe 2 more weeks if I use it again, which I'm not. So I'm gonna admit to it. I'm not gonna use it again. It's not my favorite. And after that, I use the Intensive Conditioning Treatment. This is also a 12 fluid ounce bottle. I've actually used less of this, which is really funny. And I didn't like this product either. I wasn't a fan. Y'all know how I feel about deep conditioners. This deep conditioner was not my favorite. I didn't care for it very much. To me, my hair, it says after shampooing with the shampoo, which I use the co-wash instead of the shampoo, because I didn't see the shampoo at Walmart when I was there. Let's see, put a generous amount, comb through for distribution, place plastic cap over it, send it in a warm hooded dryer, 10-15 minutes. First time I used it, I used my steamer, which was about 20 minutes. Second time I used it, I was getting over it. This was the right after I was sick and I was in the end of it. Well, I'm kind of still in the end of it. I put a plastic cap over my head and I finished showering and everything. I didn't care for it either. I didn't really care for this product. It stinks. It has that smell. It still has that flower and lighter fluid smell that I don't care for. I just don't like the smell of it. And I don't think it worked very well in my hair. Ouch, my hand. That kid scratched me. That fur child of mine scratched me. I was not a fan of it. I'm not even gonna sit here and be like, oh, it would work for someone else. It might work for somebody else. It didn't work for me. So I'm probably gonna pass this on over, you know, to Reginald, or maybe my cousin would like it. I don't know. I don't like it. I didn't care for it. It just was, it wasn't my favorite. And it just, you know. And last up, which is the star of the show and which is still in my hair as to this moment. And I don't know if you can see the flake. I don't know if you can see this. There's like snow coming out of my hair because of this product right here. This is the Curl and Hold Custard. See if you guys can see it. This is the product. It looks like a it does look like a custard. I mean, looks like custard in a donut. Okay, here's the funny thing. I actually like the product. I'm gonna put the pictures up so you guys can see my hair. I wore this for 2 weeks because this video originally was gonna come out a week earlier, but due to me being sick, everything got pushed a week. So you're seeing it this week instead of last week. So this was actually, I did my hair like this for 2 weeks. Second week I didn't take pictures because I was still trying to get acclimated back to being able to talk correctly. And I just, you know, I had other stuff going on. But the product looked good in my hair for a day. And then you might be able to see it. Let me see. Can I get in? There you go. Right there. You see it right there. And I'm actually looking in the monitor. Right here is, right there, that's gray hair. But if you go up, right there, that's product buildup. I had product buildup as soon as it dried. Now, you could probably say maybe you put too much. You used too much. I aired on that on the first week. So I said, okay, let me scale it back. So the second time I did it, like I said, I was coming off being sick. I scaled it back, still buildup. As you all know, custards, I'm real iffy on custards and how I feel about them. So I'm still like, maybe, maybe, maybe. No, this wasn't even a maybe. This was not good. I had severe product buildup. It was bad from jump. So my hair never looked good. Never. It never looked good. I was kind of upset about that, but whatever, you know. Like I said, I mean, well, look good without the product buildup. I had product buildup, like I said, the day when I was 100% dry, I had buildup and I had flaking. So unfortunately, this product is a pass. Also, the first L of 2018 goes to Cream of Nature with Argan Oil line. The whole dang, well, the pieces that I picked up with the exception of last week's product, you know. Let's go to the inevitable question. So you guys want to know, would I buy this product again? Nope, not at all. I will never buy it again. I'm trying not to be loud. My microphone's over my head. No, I would not buy this again. This was not a good look. This is actually, today's Sunday. This is wash day. You guys actually saw me look this exact way at the very beginning of last week's video. This is the same day. So just to let y'all know, it's the same day. This is the same sweatshirt, everything. I have to go ahead and section my hair and get it ready to wash because this right here was not good at all. I would not buy it again. I would not buy any of these products again. I was just not very happy with any of these products, and I would never. I don't even think I could recommend them. I know there's people that love Cream of Nature. I think I used to use their relaxers when I was relaxing, but they need to go back and do something again. I don't know. This just wasn't it. And that's it. If you guys like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. And there's a red subscribe button below. Please hit that if you want to see more videos from me. My videos are normally posted on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. 6 p.m. Eastern, I believe that. Yeah, that's Eastern, 6 p.m. And I'm Central. That's why I always do Central Time. And like I said, subscribe so you guys can see more videos. Also, apparently there's a bell button next to the subscribe button for notifications. If you guys want to be notified when a new video comes out, you can click that too. Last week before, you guys see those videos over here? If you guys want to not go down below and hit subscribe, you can subscribe right here. Hit my face with my shorter hair. So that's it. I'm gonna get out of here, and hope you guys have a fun-filled day, night, evening, weekend, whatever. And I'll talk to you later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.